Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you was wondering what taking pictures in the middle of mountains in the center of Italy looks like, this video is for you. I was thinking about this. If you want to take great pictures of landscape and nature, you have to be in exotic places like deserts, oceans and high mountains, but the reality is that you may not have the chance to be there. What I realized is that if I want to take great pictures of landscape and nature, I really have to start with the environment which is really close to me and in which I feel comfortable and okay with taking pictures in. So I took my GoPro Hero 10, my Sony A7III with my Samyang 24-70mm lens, and I made this exploration in this foggy, rainy forest in the center of Italy, in this landscape surrounded by pines and forests and mountains. I really love to show you what looks like taking pictures here in this lands that I really love, because I mean, this is where I grew up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed a lot recording it. If you have some thoughts that you want to share with me, please write it down below in the comment section and subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content. And that's it. So enjoy the session and thank you for being here. Okay, go. This is actually the landscape. Really like this shape. Okay. I have to be like here. Okay, love it. Yes. Got it. Okay. Oh, so this sky is absolutely gray, and this is the perfect weather for the pics I'd like to make today. I'm actually not far from the city in this wood paradise. Look at it. Wow. Woo. Oh my gosh, I love this fog. Look at it. I can barely see the trees. Okay. Let's try to go there and see if we can have like an interesting point of view on the street. Wow, look at this sunlight. Okay. Really love it. All right. So I plan 2 or 3 stops. The fog is going away, so we have to run. All right, go. Oh yeah, look at this road. Look at the S shape. Yes.
actually 50 millimeters. Okay, let's try different angle. And now I'll try to move like here to make the S curve a little bit more punchy. Okay. Okay, spot 2 is gone. Now we have to move to spot 3. I don't know what's going on right now. Just try to focus the car. No? Okay, we can switch to manual. Alright, go. Just see if we can get some interesting point of view from all over there. Alright. Let's see if we can meet some animals right here, like wolves or bears, or I don't know, maybe other human beings. Run, run, run! Alright. That's a little bit of cliche, but you know, we have 45 minutes left. We are in the middle of the wood once again. We can now switch back to continuous autofocus. I think wood changes its phase when it's all wet like this. It's like another landscape. Oh my god, look at this color. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my god, I'm blessed. I'm really blessed to witness this beauty here. Alright, let's try this angle. Maybe it could be interesting. Not so much sky in the pic. Now, let's move on. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. I'm not putting so much attention into my composition right now because I don't know, I just love the colors and the vibes and the fog, and I'm following the flow. This leaf on the floor. Alright. Okay. I like here. Wow. Oh my god, that's amazing, being in the middle of nowhere. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Wow, these lifts are amazing. Wow. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, let's get into these weird bushes and let's try to go here and see what it looks like to be in the middle of this weird forest. Wow, look at it. Oh my god. Yes, I love it. Alright. I'm good. I'm okay. If anybody was wondering. Yeah. Okay. Am I following like a path here or not? I don't know. Wow. Okay, really like this. Really like this bad guy here. Shot. Time to get back. Let's try another point of view. Like this. Yes, what a great sensation to be here right now and feel the nature, the wood, the rain, the elements. Wow, guys. Wow. Okay, so we have less than 30 minutes left, so we can go straight over there for another 10 minutes at most, but then I have to get back and start my edit. Wow, look at this. Yes. God. What is that? It's like a brownish gray. Oh my god. Look at this orange. Try to make something different. Oh my god, it's starting raining again. think this is officially the end of this landscape photography POV autumn session. Now let's get back to home, make a cold shower, eat something, and planning the next POV photography session. I think I'm gonna get one last picture. Alright, yes. Now, go. Bye, forest. Bye. Go. Go back home. Have to go. I have to go. Ooh, look at this. I can see the car. Yay! Oh, here we are. All right. Actually, that's not over, because fog is back here. I think a car is approaching. Yes. Thank you, boy. Now, this is actually totally different than before, because fog is like doubled. Si figuri, salve. Okay. Yes. Okay, and then move. All right. Like here. Okay. Now here. Yes. Hello there. You are the subject of my